No matter the season or how much you drive, rubber mats are just better than your standard factory cloth floor mat. Husky Liners sent us a set of exact contour floor liners for our Honda Civic hatchback, which still has the factory mats in it, but we should have replaced those ages ago. After watching this unboxing video, if you like what you see and want to make a purchase through the link in the description, we may earn a commission at no additional cost to you. American-made and backed by a lifetime warranty, exact contour floor liners have a softer and more flexible feel than the Weather Beater, another popular Husky liner. The exact contours are made from the Husky Liners Pro Core formula, with a rubberized DuraGrip surface and small cleats on the bottom to help keep the liner in place once installed. Because of this material construction, the exact contour floor liners are great for a daily driver like our Honda Civic hatchback. When we removed our factory cloth mats and compared them to our new exact contour floor liners, well, it was a no-brainer. Installation is easy using your vehicle's existing retention post. Once locked into place, ensure the liners are tight and secure by giving them a once-over with your hands. The DuraGrip surface is slip-resistant if the liners get wet for any reason, rainy day, melting snow, or if you happen to drop your drink, which we do way more than we care to admit. Unlike a generic or cheap mat, any liquids that land on the exact contour liners will drain away from your shoes with the integrated channels. As expected, they're easy to clean. For our Civic hatchback, the rear liner is a single piece instead of two separate mats. We like this style because in the off chance that we ever did have three people in the back seat, the liner would accommodate the middle passenger. We're excited to spend more time driving with the exact contour floor liners, which were sent to us by Husky Liners for this unboxing video. The exact contour floor liners are available through the Husky Liners website. See the link in the description. Should you make a purchase through that link, we may earn a commission at no additional cost to you. In Detroit with our exact contour floor liners, on behalf of Automoblog, I'm Carl Anthony.